Hi everybody, Lisa here. Today we have a dreary, dark day in Southern California, which is really rare for us. So I've decided I want to do a really bright swipe. I'm going to be using a lot of neon colors and a couple metallic colors. All of the colors will be listed in the video description. My colors are all mixed with a combination of Floetrol and Elmer's Glue All, which is also listed in the description. I have no silicone pre-mixed into my bottles. However, I do mix spot-on treadmill silicone when needed into cups. I'm going to swipe with black, which I have already mixed, and I did put a few drops of the spot-on treadmill silicone. I also pre-treated my 12x12 canvas, or pre-painted my 12x12 canvas in black, and I didn't do that on camera because I feel like we all pretty much know how to paint a canvas. So let's get started. When I put my paint on the canvas, since I know I'm doing a swipe, I don't fill in every space perfectly because I know when I swipe it's going to fill in for itself. This is a glow-in-the-dark color. It looks white. It doesn't say, it just says glow-in-the-dark on the bottle description. So I thought that might be interesting to put some of that in there too and see what happens. Okay, so I have all my colors on here and I've pre-moistened my paper towel. Oh, I forgot to put the black on here. Sorry. Almost forgot. That would have been very important. So this is my black with the treadmill silicone already mixed in, so I can get some cells. Now I'm ready for my paper towel. So you just lay your paper towel gently into the paint and let it absorb a little bit. And then you just gently swipe. Okay. See a lot of cells popping up, and what I like to do is take the colors that are on the paper towel and touch it to the sides. Bring a little color back into it. Okay, see a lot of cells popping up. I'm going to let it sit for a moment or two, see what comes up before I torch it. I see a lot of my metallic Aquamarine came up, and a lot of the neon pink and neon green. I see a little bit of the neon yellow and the neon orange over here. I'm hoping to see more of it come up. I see some cells trying to pop through, so we'll give it a few minutes and then I will torch it. Okay, it's been about 2 minutes. I do see some more cells popping up here. Not as much of the orange that I was hoping to see, but let's torch it and see what happens. Oh, I use a propane torch. Still not getting what I want to see. I'm thinking I might go ahead and swipe it again. Okay, here we go again. A little bit more of the black back in here. Okay, let's see what we have. Cells are popping through again. So far it's mainly pink and the metallic blue. I see some green. Kind of disappointed that I lost the orange and the yellow. I see maybe a little bit of the glow in the dark. I'm going to hit it with the torch again. Something here. I don't know if it's going to work, but okay, I'm going to lay my paper towel into the neon yellow and swipe down from there. Some more brightness back into the painting. I'm going to sit here for a moment and hit it with the torch again. I decided I didn't like all that black in the top there, so I'm going to do one more swipe and see if I can put a little bit of color in the top. This will be my fourth swipe. A little bit more difficult to swipe backwards. Okay, let's see what we get now. Let's sit here for a few more moments. Okay, let's try torching it. I'm going to do a little bit of manipulating with my skewer. Create some interest here in these areas that are a little bit boring. If you're ever not happy with your results, you can always add your own little flares to it. I'm going to add a little bit of gold. I put a few swirls in here just to create some interest because it was kind of boring to me. So don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe and don't forget to click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. I'll see you next time. Stay tuned for some close-ups. Bye now.